Hello everyone, welcome to my channel where I share easy DIYs and affordable home improvement projects just like this one. In this video, I want to show how to paint a circle color block on a wall. It's a great way to spice up any space, and here it also acts as a faux headboard. It's a part of our bedroom transformation. Please check my other videos for more details. First, you need to draw a circle with a pencil. So you will need a pencil, pushpin and a long thread. Put a pushpin in the center of the wall. Then get a thread that is as long as the radius of the circle you want to draw. Tie the thread to pushpin on one side and to the pencil on the other. Then pull the thread to its maximum length and start drawing. Try not to change the angle in which you are holding the pencil while you draw. Easiest way is to hold the pencil near the nib and hold the pencil straight. You can also mark multiple dots along the circle to make sure you're drawing a perfect circle. Once you have the circle, take a small paintbrush and draw the outline as shown. Load up the paint and paint inside the line carefully. Angled brush would be perfect for this job. Once you have the outline, you can just use a roller in the center. Just be careful near the outer line. You can use a normal brush to fill any gaps near the edges. That's it, the easiest DIY I've ever done, and it had a huge impact on the room. It became a statement in the room and we absolutely love it. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up and please subscribe to get more such inspirations and ideas.